eating cereal. Cereal's like one of those things I love to eat, but I always feel really guilty when I eat it because I just kind of feel like it's not nutritious. When I was in high school, a girl used to live off cereal. I used to love this Special K. My mom had Special K. I used to eat this every day, sometimes 3 times a day. And I'll never forget, I took it with me to school one day and like ate it for lunch because I was just that obsessed with cereal. Love cereal. Okay, so I love Chanel, right? I love Chanel, and I have been dying. My sister has the cutest Chanel espadrilles, and I'm obsessed with them. And sorry, my straps are too big. And I'm obsessed with her Chanel espadrilles. They're just like the tan, kind of like plain leather espadrilles that have the 2 C's, you know, on the front. Like, they're just so cute, and I've been dying for a pair. I've been wanting Chanel espadrilles for forever, and I recently just asked her if I could have hers, but she told me no. So I was trying to find something that was like similar, and about 2 months ago I walked into Nordstrom, and they had the cutest Tory Burch espadrilles that you'll ever see in your entire life. They're so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, and they just had all the styles and all the colors, and they were just absolutely adorable. And I wanted those espadrilles so bad, but her espadrilles are also a little bit more on, you know, the pricier side for me. They were about like $230, and I did not want to just blow $230 on espadrilles, but I needed them, I wanted them, and luckily last week my mom and I went to Nordstrom. We were looking for dresses for my sister's 10-year wedding anniversary, and that I think I told you guys about in my last video. And oh my god, they had a Tory Burch espadrilles on sale. I was so excited. So this is a little unboxing because I actually had to order them in my size because they just sold out like that. I literally went in there 2 days before, and they were still like regular priced, and then ooh, my eyes are burning. And then when we went on in there last Saturday, they had marked them down. So I was so excited, you guys, because I got Tory Burch espadrilles. First off, I'm obsessed with this box. I mean, how cute is the box, first off? I just love Tory Burch. Whenever I see Tory Burch, it always reminds me of Gossip Girl and Blair Waldorf when what was she doing? Was it like auditions to be in, you know, her little clique and her, like, you know, to be one of her minions basically. And one of the girls came up to her and she was like, "Are those last season's Tory Burch?" And it was just, it's so funny because it always reminds me of that. So yeah, this is just a little unboxing. Okay, let me move the camera down a little bit so you can see. Sorry, this really does keep falling. Okay, so when you open them, all right, I'm not gonna lie, I did open these, okay, and take the tissue out of them, but that's okay. So here we go. These are so cute. Oh my god. These are the ones that I wanted so very badly because I just feel like they're tweed. They're kind of like a tweed material. They're like multicolored, and I just felt like they look like Chanel because of the tweed. And I know that I don't think Chanel makes tweed espadrilles, but I feel like, you know, they still give me that same vibe without being Chanel, you know? And it has the little leather cap toe with the Tory Burch symbol. Oh my God, so cute. So freaking cute. So yeah, they're just like a multicolored tweed. It has a lot of purple and blue, obviously black and white, and a little bit of like goldy kind of like yellow, and a little bit of like a pastel colored green. So they're like multicolored tweed. So cute. So yeah, I couldn't afford regular Chanel espadrilles, but Tory Burch espadrilles. And also, I did really want these in the all black, and I think it has like the bigger, it kind of looks like the Chanel ones where they kind of have like the bigger Tory Burch symbol in the center of them, but you know, it's all good, it's cool, because those weren't on sale, and I'm assuming it's because they're more like a classic style, but I feel like these just look really good for like winter and fall, and you can pair them with so many different outfits. You can wear them with all black, and I just think it would look so cute with just all black. I wore them with my Adidas with my Adidas leggings, like the 3-striped leggings, and it looked so cute with just my leggings, and I had on like an Adidas hoodie that was kind of cropped. I thought it looked really cute with it. You can wear them with black jeans and like a black sweater. I think that a black oversized sweater with Adidas track pants and these would just be so freaking cute, and you could wear it like with a chain, like a little chain belt, or you could pair them with like an oversized sweater and like black jeans. Like there's just so many different outfits you could pair with this, and like I said, it looks very fall and wintry because of the tweed. And sorry, my mom is making hella noise in the kitchen. I am at my mom's house filming this because I want to do another unboxing right after this video, and I'll tell you guys a little bit about the unboxings and show you guys what I got. But you know, right now it's all about these Tory Burch shoes because these are amazing. I did get these in a size 8. Like I said, I had to order them. Shipping was really slow, and they came DHL, so I'm assuming that they came from international somewhere. But oh my gosh, these are just so adorable. I'm obsessed. I love espadrilles. A lot of people think of espadrilles like you're only able to wear them during the summer, but I think they look so cute for fall and winter. If you pair and style them right, then I think they can still look like a fall and winter shoe, you know? And they're just so basic and easy to slip on. You don't really have to think about it. You don't really have to you know, hesitate or think about like how you're putting them on, because they just go with everything. And like I said, although I can only really wear this, I feel like with all black, I feel like it mostly will, but that's what I mostly wear anyways, is all black. But I also feel like they look really good with nude. They look really good with white, you know. I mostly wear black and white anyways. Like even the dress that I'm wearing, no, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't pair that with this dress. But I just think they're so freaking adorable. So cute, look at them. My little Tory Burch Espadrilles. But yeah, they fit really, really good on the foot. I'm trying to break them in. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to try and break them in. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. So yeah, how cute are these? Ooh. Just giving you guys a little foot modeling action. So yeah, these shoes are the bomb. I'm obsessed with them and so excited. So excited about these. So yeah, I'm really excited about these, and I cannot wait to pair them with everything. You guys are gonna see me so much in these, like it's gonna be ridiculous how much you're gonna see me in these espadrilles this fall and winter. So yeah, those are my espadrilles. I'm gonna finish my cereal now.